Hey you guys, so you're using CapCut, huh? Just for the basics, like, trimming and adding a little text here and there? Oh man, you're totally missing out. Stick around, cause I've got some pretty cool hidden features to share with you. These will seriously level up your video editing game. Trust me, you're gonna wish you knew these sooner. Okay, so let's get this ball rolling. You might be wondering, who should even care about CapCut? Well, listen up. Whether you're like super into social media, creating content, running a business, or even a student, CapCut is your go-to app. It's super easy to use, and let me tell you, it's loaded with awesome features. All right, let's get to the good stuff, shall we? First off, we've got this thing called object tracking. Yeah, it's as cool as it sounds. You can literally make text or, even stickers follow someone as they walk across the screen. How cool is that? You've got to try it out. It's like magic, but in a video. Moving on to the second one, there's this Chroma key feature. Now imagine you're in your living room, but you want it to look like you're on a beach or in outer space. Chroma key lets you swap out your boring old background for something way more exciting. And get this, you don't even need a fancy green screen or anything. Okay, third on my list is text styles. This is where you can get super creative with your text. You can make it bounce, zoom in and out, or even swirl around. Seriously, your text will never be boring again. Fourth up is speed ramping. Ever seen those epic videos with slow motion or super fast action? Yep, that's speed ramping for you. You can slow down a slam dunk or speed up a sunset, making it like 10 times cooler. Last but definitely not least, we've got the clone feature. This one's pretty wild. You can make copies of, well, anything. Ever wanted 5 of you in a video? Now you can. It's like creating your own mini army right in CapCut. So you're probably like, where can I learn all these tricks? Don't worry. YouTube's got tons of tutorials. Just type in CapCut and you'll find a goldmine of info. And you might be thinking, when should I use these cool features? Well, anytime you want your videos to stand out, to be honest. They're great for jazzing up business promos or making your vlogs pop. Why should you even bother with these hidden gems, you ask? Well, first, your videos will go from May to wow. Second, you'll become a CapCut ninja. And third, it's just super fun to play around with new tools. To wrap things up, if you really want to get good at this, start with the basics. Once you've got that down, go ahead and experiment. Oh, and don't forget to try out the templates. They're a real time saver. Feedback is gold, guys, so always ask for it. So there you go, 5 hidden features in CapCut that you've got to try out. Go on, give them a whirl, and let me know what you think, okay? If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it around, and hey, hit subscribe for more awesome tips. Catch you later. Happy editing.